Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Farah Tohid, you also known as Farah Digital Literacy Wali. I am a trainee at Rehan AI Teacher Training Program Batch 26. Today I am excited to share my review of an inspiring TEDx talk titled Learning How to Learn by Barbara Oakley. This talk is especially helpful for students, teachers, parents, and anyone who wants to learn new skill more effectively. Barbara Oakley shares her own journey from believing she was bad at maths to becoming an engineering professor. Her story reminds us that intelligence is not fixed. With the right learning methods and consistent practice, anyone can improve. One of the most interesting ideas in the talk is that our brain works in two different learning modes, the focus mode and the diffuse mode. The focus mode is active when we are paying close attention to solving a problem, reading, or studying. This is when we concentrate deeply on one task. The diffuse most work when we relax, take a break, go for a walk, or even sleep. During this time, our brain quietly connects ideas and help us understand concept more deeply. Barbara explained that real learning happens balance when we balance both of these two modes instead of studying continuously without rest. Another important lesson is about procrastination. Many people delay difficult tasks because they feel uncomfortable or overwhelmed. Barbara suggests a simple solution: don't think about finishing the whole task. Instead, just begin by working a short period, such as 20 to 25 minutes. Once we start, our brain often become engaged and continuing become much easier. She also talked about the importance of practice and repetition. Learning is not about reading something once and expecting to remember it forever. Regular reviews and active practice help strengthen our memory and improve understanding over time. One lesson that really stood out to me is that making mistake is natural part of learning. Yes, we should not be afraid of getting answered wrong because every mistake teaches us something valuable. Instead of giving up, we should stay curious and keep improving. As someone who is learning AI, digital skills, and teaching methods, I found this talk very motivating. It reminded me that learning is a lifelong journey. Success does not depend only on talent, it depends on using effective learning strategies, staying consistent, and believing that improvement is possible. What are the key points that I take from this TED talk is number one, intelligence can grow with practice. Number two, use both focused and diffuse thinking for better learning. Number three, avoid procrastination by simply getting started. Number four, practice consistently instead of cramming. Number five, and last, learn from mistake and never stop improving. In the end, Learning How to Learn by Barbara Okra is a practical and inspiring talk that changes the way we think about education and personal growth. It teaches us that anyone can become a better learner by understanding how the brain works and by using simple but effective learning techniques. Hope you will like my this TED Talks review. Thank you so much for listening to my review. I hope this talk encourages you to become a lifelong learner and believe in your ability to learn anything with practice patience, and right mindset. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, all of you. Allah Hafiz.